Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 18th lecture of rural marketing. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the nature of rural marketing. And we will we will cover the topic of rural environment also, under which we will discuss demographic environment in today's lecture. So let's move to the next slide. So nature of rural environment when we are saying, so first of all, like in last lectures also we have learned that rural marketing is a two-way process, okay, where inflow of products into the rural markets from production and consumption, and also outflow of products to urban areas. It means urban markets and rural markets, they both are related to each other. Now we need to understand how rural markets behave. What is the nature of rural markets? So unlike urban markets, rural markets are extremely unpredictable and possess special features. And the highlighted population is predominantly illiterate here and have lower and irregular income levels. Say they don't possess a stable or a predictable pattern due to inconsistency in income, and demand of the product depends on the availability of necessities like power, transportation, schools, hospitals, etc. So features, first feature is large scattered market. Rural market in India is large and scattered, which means that it consists of approximately around 63 crores customer across 5,70,000 villages throughout the country. And rural population has increased by 125 in the last decade and account for over 40% of the Indian economy. This data I am giving you based on the census 2011. Second is diverse and heterogeneous. So rural markets are highly diverse and heterogeneous. We can't predict actually the behavior. We can't say that all segments are same. Okay, it consists of as many of 20,000 ethnic groups, and which it is very difficult and very challenging as a marketer to predict their behavior. And in India, a huge country, we have over 24 languages and 1,642 dialects here in India. And we find various types of buyers in a rural areas. Few are very simple, while few are very sophisticated, and income distribution is also unequal. Few people are very rich, others are very poor. Education level also differs among village to villages. So these all are challenges, like heterogeneous behavior of rural customers is a challenge for any marketer. Second is low standard of living in compared to urban areas, we are saying here, keep in mind. So consumers in rural area have a relatively low standard of living, and rural customers have diverse socioeconomic backgrounds also. And because of this low standard of living, it is a result of lower literacy rate, low per capita income, and because of them, purchasing power is also low, and social backwardness, and because of low or no saving. Next products are here. So when we are talking about the products, so marketers need to be very focus on the products. Mostly they buy FMCG products and like agriculture products like fertilizers, pesticide, seeds, and farming equipments. And consumption of FMCG is also very high in rural areas. And slowly we are seeing that rural customers are demanding for electronic goods also. So that is also one area. Second, pricing for rural areas. So pricing is most crucial factor. that influence the buying decision of customer in rural market. In last lecture also we have learned that rural customers are very price sensitive. Okay, so they can compromise on quality for the lower prices, and they are more intended towards discounts and sales. And the payment mostly functions on the credit basis in villages. Promotion, when we are talking about the promotion, so selling work for rural marketing, we need to consider that local and regional language more. Regional efforts also we need to make more, like hearts, melas, weekly markets. So we need to promote our products through those things. Television is also one very effective way, television and radio, to reach the mobile. And we have seen that from last few years that mobile penetration is very high in rural areas. So through digital messages, or we can say videos also, we can promote our things. Articles like rings, bangle, keychain, caps, gas lighters, lamps, calendar, etc. Could be a promotional articles in the rural market for the rural markets. And next is our distribution. Distribution becomes very crucial for rural areas. And most of the purchases in rural areas are made through retailers and small salesmen. And they rural mall culture still is not there in rural Indian markets. And purchases mostly happen from retailers outlets. And like caste, religion, political parties, religious and spiritual leaders can play a significant role in choosing the retailers. So marketers need to be very careful, like which image their product is reflecting. And online market also has not yet secured its place in rural areas. So for online marketers also, or rural markets can rural markets can give one scope for online markets also. Next, rural environment we are going to discuss. So before discussing this rural environment, let's go and watch one videos about the rural environment exactly. So I will stop sharing this video and I will share another video which I have searched for you people. And it is a video of a village in Orissa, and it's a very interesting video. And I request you people to watch this video very carefully and analyze what exactly rural environment. This video will give you, will cover all the areas of a village, and its culture, its population, its demographic. So all the informations about the rural area you can get from this. So here we go with this video. Watch it carefully. So the purpose behind showing you this video was to give you an understanding about which topics we are going to cover now. So rural environment, when we are saying, it is all about a village or a rural area in which we cover demographic, physical, social, cultural, economical, everything. So here I am presenting few data with you people. So you can see that demographic environment, when we are saying, we are talking about India's population. So according to one study, India's population is 1.34 billion, out of which 0.93 billion population lives in villages. And GDP of 1920, this is the latest data, was 20.3.29 lakh crores, and contribution of rural national income is 100.5 square lakh crores. So you can see that economic activities of rural India and how it is contributing population and national rural income contribution. Agriculture also, you can see that 16% of the contribution of GDP is from rural areas. FMCG, the fourth largest GDP contributor, villages. And consumer durable market is also very high, 76,400 crores market is there, rural markets. And banking, 56 regional banks are working in rural areas. Similarly, other data also I have presented here. So 41.5% rural population, it stays in rural area and depends on the 41.5% of the rural population depends on agriculture sector, which contributes a growth of 3.4%. Similarly, for 3 million employed from the rural areas into FMCG sectors. And for consumer durables, fifth largest market by 2025, it is the prediction rural market will be fifth largest market for consumer durables. So these all are some data. And now see the demographic data. So according to the census of 2011 in India, there are 35 states in which 640 districts were there. Sub-districts 5,924, towns and villages. You see here, villages are somewhere 6,40,000 almost. So, and rural population state-wise, I have removed all over India. I'm giving you. So male and female population ratio, you see here, two census data I am giving. This is for the 1991 to 2001, and this is from 2001 to 2011. So male and female percentage, you see that almost equal. Females are more in rural areas. So this is one information from here, and this is about the net domestic contribution for rural and urban areas. So you see here, this is the 4 decades data from 80, 81, 93, 94, 99 to 2000, and 2000 to 2005. So you see the contribution of different industries, rural contribution. So rural areas are contributing a lot in the development of country. Okay, they are not behind. For agriculture and forestry, you see that this is the contribution of in crores. Okay, this much is the contribution of rural areas. So these data are showing that rural demography in rural areas, people are becoming educated, that although the population is growing, but education level is also growing, their income is also growing. With respect to that, their purchasing power is increasing. Okay, and other demographics, like earlier they used to live in joint families. Now that culture is going away, and they are becoming nuclear families are becoming more populated there. Okay, occupations, I told you in this slide, you can see that agriculture and forestry, mining, manufacturing, electronic, gas, water supply, construction. So these are the occupations of rural people here. Okay, and their literacy also, you see that in compared to 2001 and 2011, male versus female. So where in 2001 total literacy in rural areas was 58.74%, it increased to 68.91%. And obviously if your literacy is increasing, it will show its effect on expenditure also, income also. So it is the data I got from NABARD. It is the data for 2016 and 17. Here you can say that average monthly income and expenditure of rural households. So this bar chart is showing you how much they were earning and expenditure. So we can say from this chart that the rural economy is not based on credit. Okay, so their income is more, expenditure are less. So whatever they are buying, mostly, I am not saying 100%, but mostly whatever they are buying with their own savings. So this is all for today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. If you have any query, you can ping me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching this video.